Imagine this, New York City, 32th floor of residential apartment building. No garden bed, no yard, only a small balcony just big enough to fit a chair and coffee mug. But one woman, tired of paying too much for produce, decided to take matters into her own hands and grow her own food. Not lettuce, not basil, no, she bypassed all of that and chose the ultimate comfort food, crown jewel, the potato. And the punchline is, she didn't require a farm or even rows live with soil. She reaped potato in buckets, bags, and containers right on her balcony. Stick with me, because I'm going to review how to grow potatoes in small areas, whether you have a balcony, roof, or even a small sunlight window sill. First, let's talk basic. How do you plant potatoes? Potatoes are actually underground stems or tubers that grow from the base of the potato plant. They need loose soil, warmth, and room to grow. The best part, you don't need a field. You can learn to plant potatoes only using a bucket, a grow bag, or any pot with a hole. So step 1, planting potatoes. Start with seed potatoes. Do not use the wrinkly ones at the supermarket, since larger seed potatoes into slice have a minimum of 2 eyes per piece. Dry them for a day and then get ready to plant. Now, the golden question: how deep to plant potatoes? In a container or bucket, layer about 4 inches of soil at the bottom. Place your potato pieces and cover them with another 4 inches. As your potato plant grows taller, keep adding soil or compost until the container is nearly full. This is the secret to bigger harvest. You are encouraging the plant to keep sending out new tubers along the buried stems. Wondering how long do potatoes take to grow? Most of them mature in 70 to 100 days. If so, the answer to how many days will it take to grow potatoes depends on your variety. But you can count on a fresh crop in 3 months. For those who wondered when to plant potatoes, spring is the best. But in warmer climates, you can even do several crops per day. Now, here's the cool part. If you ever wanted to know how to grow potatoes in a bucket, how to grow potatoes in a pot, or even how to grow potatoes in a bag, it's basically the same. Soil at the bottom, potato slice, and filling it up as they grow. Bags are great for tight space because you can roll them as your plants get taller. Containers, great for patios. Buckets, cheap, easy, and it gets the job done. And if you are adventurous and want to go completely crazy, learn to cultivate sweet potatoes. They are not technically the same as a normal potato, but the concept of container gardening holds true just the same. Remember, growing potatoes doesn't require acres of land. With clever potato growing methods, it is easy to convert the smallest balcony into a harvest bed. And when the time comes to harvest, unloading over the sack or bucket and laying out the golden sparks. It's like finding treasure. So are you going to begin your own spark raising journey now? If this story has fired you up and you like to hear more city gardening hacks like this, be sure to subscribe, because your balcony could be your farm and your next meal could be on its way from your own 2 hands.